We're here at the Canada Games Sportsplex, Brandon, Manitoba, July 1st, 2012. Aiden, also known as Doogie Mac, is attempting to make a lap on his new bicycle. He just learned to ride this week, so he's really excited to make a lap without falling off his bike here. He's training hard for the Tour de France. YouTube sensation Doogie Mac. He's just about in the home stretch here. Fans of Doogie Mac have gathered and are encouraging him to cross the finish line in record pace. Yay! Cross the finish line, cross the finish line. Yee-hoo! Good job, buddy. There you have it, Doogie Mac rides again.